Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to create your one and unique AI wallpaper for your Pixel 10 Pro. So at first, go to your home screen like that, and here hold the background with your finger. Here tap Wallpaper and Style. Now tap here More Wallpapers, and now here, as you can see, you can choose a photo, do a live effects, emoji workshop, or AI wallpaper. Tap on the AI wallpaper, and now here you can choose a theme to get started. Here we have imaginary, painting, terrain, night, luminous, mineral, etc. We have, as you can see, a plenty of our AI themes. Let's, for example, tap to my preferences, translucent. As you can see, here we can now tap that, change colors. Apart from that, we can here tap I'm feeling lucky to create that. And as you can see here, we have we can click it to change the theme by itself, and here we can tap I'm feeling lucky to change the prompt. Here, as you can see, we have translucent begonia in burnt orange, and now it's created like that. We can tap it again to change the prompt. Translucent leaf in brown. Or apparently we can tap on each thing and change it by ourselves. Here we can, for example, tap sunflower and teal. Well, something like that. And let's check what will be created. Here now wallpaper is created, and to set the wallpaper we have to tap on this tick icon in the top right corner. Here, as you can see, we will see our preview of home screen and lock screen, but I don't know why it's now loading in. We can edit it using here, the wallpaper I mean, or tap this info icon to check the third-party notices. Now we can tap next. And as I can see, I don't know why we don't see this wallpaper, you should see this, but we can change it either to home screen or lock screen or both of them. Now we have to tap apply, and here now we can exit this wallpaper and style, and now our AI sunflower in teal translucent is created. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, HardReset.Info channel. And if you have some drawbacks to my video or questions, ask them in the comments below. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!